The 2015 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, compass, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, heated front seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.